Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Thursday, May 14th, 2026, your daily market intelligence simplified. Markets delivered a powerful tech-driven rally on Wednesday, pushing both the Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500 to fresh record highs. The Nasdaq surged 1.04% to 29,367, while the S&P 500 gained 0.58%, shrugging off hotter than expected inflation data. April's producer price index jumped 1.4% for the month, nearly triple expectations, with the yearly rate accelerating to 6.0%. Despite initial market jitters, attention quickly shifted to the US-China summit in Beijing, where both nations are reportedly considering tariff cuts on $30 billion worth of imports, helping ease investor concerns. Let's spotlight this week's top movers. Cisco surged 17% after posting record quarterly revenue of $15.8 billion and nearly doubling its full-year AI infrastructure order target to $9 billion. The networking giant is becoming critical plumbing for hyperscaler GPU clusters. NVIDIA climbed 2.2% to new highs as CEO Jensen Huang joined President Trump on Air Force One to Beijing, while Bank of America raised its price target to $320 ahead of May earnings. Micron jumped around 5% after BofA nearly doubled its target to $950, citing AI memory demand outpacing supply through 2028. AI cloud provider Nebius rallied 15% on revenue growth of 684% year-over-year, while Alibaba gained 8% alongside Chinese tech names ahead of the Trump-Xi summit, as investors priced in improved trade dynamics. Now here's something that might surprise you. Tech stocks aren't getting more expensive, they're actually getting cheaper. The Nasdaq just hit fresh highs. But here's the key data point. S&P 500 tech earnings surged 51% in Q1, while prices are up just 15% year-to-date. That 36-point gap has compressed tech's forward PE from above 30 last fall to 24 today. Translation: this rally is being driven by real earnings growth, not speculation. That's exactly what sustainable bull markets look like. Looking ahead, Thursday, May 14th is packed. The Trump-Xi summit begins in Beijing, with markets watching for tariff cuts, agricultural deals, and signals on Taiwan. Elon Musk and Jensen Huang join the delegation, raising hopes for electric vehicle and AI chip agreements. That same day brings U.S. April retail sales, our first consumer spending read after hot inflation prints, and the UK's first quarter GDP estimate, sensitive given pressure on Prime Minister Starmer. On the earnings front, Applied Materials reports Thursday after close, offering insight into semiconductor equipment spending. Then NVIDIA reports May 20th, the cycle's most important AI earnings event, with roughly $78 billion in revenue expected. Walmart follows May 21st as a key consumer bellwether. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.